Identify the reactants and product of the reaction. The chemical equation given in the question is Ni to the power 2 plus 6 NH3 gives Ni, NH3, 6 to the power 2 plus. Examine the bonding behavior. This equation represents the formation of a metal-ligand coordination complex, where a central metal cation is surrounded by coordinate covalent ligands. Apply the Lewis definition of acids and bases. A Lewis base is defined as an electron pair donor, and a Lewis acid is defined as an electron pair acceptor. Determine the roles of the reactants. Ammonia, NH3, possesses a lone pair of electrons on its nitrogen atom, which it donates to the empty d orbitals of the transition metal cation, nickel, 2, Ni to the power 2 plus, to form coordinate covalent bonds. Classify the reaction. Because Ni to the power 2 plus acts as the electron pair acceptor, the Lewis acid, and NH3 acts as the electron pair donor, the Lewis base, the process is best classified as a Lewis acid-base reaction. The correct answer is option A, a Lewis acid-base reaction.